Are you seeing this? I swear, y'all, this tastes like restaurant.
Supermodel and new mother, Gigi Hadid, shared a recipe for spicy vodka pasta sauce on her Instagram stories. Since she shared it back in May, it has blown up online. People are making this like crazy. They're loving it. She was really thorough. She shares the exact measurements, more measuring than I ever do. And it's super easy to make at home. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna be trying Gigi Hadid's spicy vodka pasta. So this is essentially a sauce recipe and you can throw it on whatever pasta you want. I'm using orecchiette because that's what she used in her stories. It's also my favorite. Fun fact, it means little ears in Italian. Isn't that cute? In my non-stick skillet, I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil. So normally I would not measure out olive oil, but Gigi Hadid did, so I'm going to follow her lead. I'm going to heat that up, probably over medium heat, and add in 1 chopped clove of garlic. She says small, but I like garlic, so I used a big one. And 1/4 of a shallot. You can also use red onion if you do not have shallots. First step is just to brown these in the olive oil till they get probably translucent. It's always a good start when it smells this good. So I'm just waiting until this gets soft, really. By the way, I already have a pot of salted water up here boiling to cook my pasta on the side. So to this, we will add a 1/4 cup tomato paste and cook until it gets a bit darker and caramelized. Doesn't really want to combine all that much, but I'll give it time. I have to say, I am way too reliant on a jarred tomato sauce, so this will be good for me. Make my own sauce. Do eat pasta almost every night though. It never gets old, I don't know how. Okay, that's looking a bit better. Next up, we have a tablespoon of vodka. Because what's a vodka sauce without vodka? Actually, that's not true. You can still make this and omit the vodka, as she did. But I think it'll add a little bit of flavor. I'm just gonna cook it until it almost evaporates completely. And a lot of times you can just tell that from smelling it. Woo! You smell it. Now, 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. It's like pouring cream into your coffee. These are some cool colors going on. And then a teaspoon, or more if you prefer, of red chili flakes. Love this stuff. That looks pretty nice. I'm gonna cut the heat down just so that I don't lose too much moisture. Now, if you did cook your pasta ahead of time or you're doing it at the same time, make sure that you reserve some of that pasta water to add back to the sauce if it needs it at the end. All right, on to the pasta. Oh, I almost forgot salt and pepper. Essentials. So she says about a 1/2 pound of pasta, and don't forget to reserve a 1/4 cup of pasta water. I love the measurements. She's so thorough. By the way, this is not a cat litter scoop. I do not have a cat, nor am I that disgusting. This is my pasta spoon, scooper spoon, strainer deal, and it's my favorite thing ever. By far most used tool in my kitchen. Click on the link below to get yourself one too. Okay, my sauce is looking saucier than expected, which sounds very dumb when I say it out loud. Here's where the brilliance of this spoon lies. Check it out. You can immediately transfer your pasta into the sauce. Just like that. Brilliant, amazing, I love it. And mix it all up. You look some kind of wonderful. So just stir in the last little bit of water and a pat of butter, 1 tablespoon. And just watch and drool as it slowly melts away. Now just a 1/4 cup shredded Parmesan cheese. And stir till melty and gooey and delicious. All right, to the bowls. Perfectly portioned for 2. All that's left to do is add a little bit of Parmesan cheese and basil for garnish. Mamma mia. Oh. Creamy, dreamy, cheesy. Looks amazing. I didn't get the heat at first. And the heat kicks you. And oh my gosh, this is freaking delicious.
I swear, y'all, this tastes like restaurant. It's not super cheesy, but it's just got so much flavor. The spice is awesome. I mean, this is just warm, cozy, comforting, perfect for fall. If you're cooking for two tonight, I would highly recommend this. Gigi Hadid, I love your pasta. If you aren't too busy with the baby, please release more. I'd love to try them. If you've ever tried Gigi Hadid's recipe, let me know in the comments below what you thought. If you loved it anywhere near as much as I did, or if you've made vodka sauce before at home in a totally different way, I'd love to hear that too. Otherwise, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, find us on Facebook and Instagram, and keep watching every week for new recipes we are trying. Spicy vodka, why is there so many words? Spicy vodka pasta sauce. So today I'm gonna be trying Gigi Hadid's recipe for spicy, why can't I say this? For spicy vodka, okay, say it 3 times fast. Spicy vodka pasta. That's not that hard.